So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to run bash script in VS Code. So guys, if you want to run the bash script in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you need to install one file, which is your git.bash. So basically it is freely available. For this, for download, you simply go to the git.bash, download git bash. Simply go here and guys, choose your operating system. Then guys, here you see the option of Git for Windows. Just click here. Okay, and click the option of save. Now here you see that your file is start downloading. So I think I paused the last one, so I will continue this. Okay, due to some error it will show. So now guys, here you see that my file is start downloading, so it will take few seconds to complete, then I will continue. Now guys, here you see that my download is now complete. Now I will click and go to its folder, then double click on it and then click the option of install. So here you go for the next.